Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the Bissell Powerfresh Steam Mop I will be reviewing in this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you really enjoyed. So let's jump into this review. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I finally had the chance to do a full review or a quick review of the Bissell Powerfresh Steam Mop that I purchased about 5 months ago. I wanted to wait a little while before I do a full review because, you know, I wanted to test it to see if it's really good, if it's really, you know, mom friendly or anyone that stays at home friendly. So I really highly recommend this steam mop. You know, it's the perfect tool to have, especially if you have, you know, those badass kids who like to make mess and stuff. This is a you know, a quick mop, not a quick mop, a mop to use to wipe up, you know, mess and stuff, especially if you have tile floors. Really quick, you know, when you come home from work and you don't want to, you know, keep or leave your floors dirty. So without no further ado, let's jump into this review. So guys, here's the steam mop. This is the Bissell Powerfresh Steam Mop. I purchased it off Amazon for about $80, $79.99. I decided to go with a steam mop because I was using, you know, the traditional mop that you use with a bucket and water, you know, soap and water. So to step up my cleaning game, I decided to get a steam mop. Okay, so the number one thing I noticed with the steam mop was the fact that this little piece right here doesn't shrivel. What do you call it? Swivel? So it doesn't make the cord, you know, easy to take apart or, you know, to unwind. So you have to basically manually, you know, wind it up, which is fine. Not a big deal. This is where you basically pour in the water. As you can see, there's just a little bit of water left in there, but that's where you pour the water. You know, let me go get the this is, oops, what the heck? Swear to God, swear. Okay, this is the cup that comes with the steam mop. This is what you would use to fill it up and to measure the water. I really don't measure it. I just fill it up, pour it in, and we're good to go. Another great tool on the steam mop is the fact that you could take it apart. If you see here, this is where the brush comes in, where you could actually clean your grout. You basically unhinge this piece. Let me see if I could show you while I do it. You basically press right here and you pull it apart, and then you basically use it to steam your grout, which is awesome. And you just basically put this up, put it in, pop it in, and you're good to go. And you're back you're back to steam. You're steaming your floors. So let me go ahead and take the cord off. And I basically show you. See, this is the only negative part, but overall I give this a 9.5 out of 10. So you plug in the steam mop. It takes about 10 seconds. It takes about 10 seconds. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, so I would say take about 30 seconds for it to heat up. Once it heat up, this light becomes solid, and then you go ahead. There it is, it's solid. You go ahead, you press the on button, and then this is the option on how much steam you want. If you want a lot of steam or a little bit, I usually use a lot of steam. because I want my floors really nice and clean. So all you do is you pull it down and you basically push the mop and you clean your floors. And I would say within 2 minutes your floors will actually dry, because it does not, you know, leave a lot of wetness or moisture on your floor. Where when you use a mop and bucket, it takes forever for your floor to dry. With this, your floor dry, I would say within 5 minutes your floor dry. If you turn on your air conditioner, that also speeds up the drying process. Also, this steam mop comes with 2 cleaning pads. You get kind of one like a soft microfiber cloth, and then you get one that's a little bit more coarse, you know, to do like a deeper clean. I don't see the difference. The only downside is that you really have to throw some bleach on this if you really want to get it clean, because excuse me, because you really have to put some bleach on this, because this really deep clean your floors, and it shows dirt. So to actually, I just throw it in the wash. I throw 2 of the cleaning pads in the wash along with some bleach, and that usually cleans it up, or, you know, take out most of the dirt in order to reuse it again. A little tread. But overall, I am happy with this steam mop. I hope this review was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment box down below. So guys, that's it. That's the end of my review. I hope it was helpful. Like I said, I give the Bissell Power Steam Mop a 9.5 out of 10, just because of that little swivel piece. I ain't like that part. You know, that's the only inconvenience, but overall it's a great steam mop. I highly recommend any, you know, working mom or stay-at-home mom, you know, if you're looking for a nice or good steam mop, this is the one to get. Like I said, you could get it for 80 bucks off Amazon, 2-day shipment. Can't get any more convenient than that. So let me stop rambling. I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I want to thank all my new subscribers. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel. I don't know what that was, but I'm extra dramatic. So I really appreciate you watching my video. I'm super excited for my other videos that I have coming up, that I have planned. So I hope you guys are excited as well. I'm trying to build up anticipation. No, not really. I don't know. I'm bored. So I'm super excited. I hope you guys you know, enjoy your day. I'll see you on the next one. Bye. I see you.